How to turn on vacation mode on Facebook Marketplace. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the menu option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the Marketplace option you see there. Further, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and scroll down and you will see the option for settings. Tap on that and you will see the option for vacation mode. Tap on the vacation mode option and then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for vacation mode. And with this, your listings will not appear in searches and buyers cannot place orders or start new conversations with you. So this is how you can turn on vacation mode on Facebook Marketplace. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.